It was being reported that this was the real deal. This will be the upcoming Nothing Phone 2A. Well, newsflash folks, this is not the Nothing Phone 2A. Hello everyone, Aman here for Fiiber by India Today, and in this video, let's talk about the mystique surrounding the Nothing Phone 2A. What will it look like? What are the specs? What could the price be? Well, let's talk. So it is official, guys, and Nothing has announced that their upcoming smartphone, the Phone 2A, will be unveiled to the world on March 5th, and I am very excited about it. But March 5 is still weeks away, and if this is not the Nothing Phone 2A, then what could it look like? Well, the initial leaks that were doing the rounds on the internet seems like those were the real deal. In fact, a popular leaker, Evan Blass, has also posted, and you can see his ex post on your screens, and I quote, "See what I mean? Which design does the tagline, 'See the world through fresh eyes,' seem to favor?" And you know what? I kind of agree with him. I mean, the pre-production unit I just showed you, the event tagline that is fresh eyes, and this render based on the pre-production unit that Blast posted on X. I don't know, it seems like the final thing could be very close to this, but of course we'll find out very soon when the phone officially launches. But what else do we know about the Nothing Phone 2 apart from the leaked design? By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, then consider hitting that red subscribe button for more of such content, and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. So just yesterday, Kalpe dropped a video around the Nothing Phone 2A. And in the video, he said that consumers can expect to see great performance and great cameras, and the rumored specs could give us an idea of what to expect with the Phone 2A. So upfront, this phone could sport a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. And looking at this masked pre-production unit, and given Nothing's history with the Phone 1 and Phone 2, I am expecting to see a uniform bezel design all around. Now, what would be the brightness of the panel? Would it support HDR10 playback? Will it be an 8-bit panel or a 10-bit panel? Those details remain to be seen. Okay, apart from this, the phone is rumored to sport a 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel rear camera setup, a 32 megapixel selfie snapper, the latest Nothing OS 2.5, a top Android 14, 45-watt charging, and the Dimensity 7200 SoC under the hood. Now, there are different claims regarding the battery size, RAM and storage options, but if you ask me, I'm at least expecting to see a 4500 mAh battery under the hood. And RAM and storage could also be at least 8GB and 128GB respectively, but if we also get a 256GB storage version with 12GB RAM, that would be sweet. And you know, given if all these rumors and leaks turn out to be true, then what could be the price? Now, as Carl mentioned in the recent video that the Phone 2A would be more affordable than the OG Nothing Phone 1, and since the Phone 1 launched at about 32,000 rupees, could we expect to see a sub 30,000 rupees price point for the Nothing Phone 2A? I am very hopeful about it. In fact, what's going to be even better is that whatever leaks and reports that we have seen up until now, and if Nothing manages to pack everything and the starting price of the phone is under 25,000 rupees, that would be amazing. But most importantly, what do you guys think about the Nothing Phone 2A? And based on the leaks and rumors that we have been hearing up until now, what do you think would be the final price of the Nothing Phone 2A? Will it disrupt the market? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiiber. I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.